What's up, guys? We're here again, and we are at the Pokemon shop. I hope this is the Pokemon shop, but thanks to Yelp for helping us find this place. I would love to get a partnership with them, you know. And anyway, we have Corn behind the camera today. I'm not going to pay him because of what happened last time. I'm not going to pay you. We already talked about this. Because you locked down. Whatever. But anyway, I'm hoping this is the Pokemon shop because it says Pokemon. Sort of, like, it kind of looks like a 9, but we're fine, I think, and it's open, so. Hello? Ouch. Ow, my spleen. Corn, this door is locked. Can you, like... Corn, can you help me with the door? Alright, Corn, pick up the camera. Is it okay? It's okay? Okay. Alright. So I kind of looked inside the place, and it kind of looks sketchy, so just leave the door open, just in case we, like, boot out, you know, like... Hello?
What do you want?
I'd like my Pokemon...
Get a chair!
Can I just sit on the couch?
Get a chair!
Alright, grab a camera.
Go fast!
Grab a chair.
Go faster!
My spleen.
Now, what do you want?
I like my Pokemon cards.
Put them down.
Okay. They're first edition.
Put them down, I don't give a crap.
Take a camera, please.
Okay. Get my tools out.
How long is this gonna take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay. Do you just want me to leave and come back?
No, stay here.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright. No, is there anything I can do to help?
No.
Alright.
Got this.
Oh, okay. This is a nice collection you have here.
Don't touch that.
Alright.
Yeah, so, yeah, you did a good job there. Really appreciate it. Yeah, my dog just got into that. Oh, Jericho. Okay, yeah, I like the shop here. You know, it looks very well, very well. Yeah, wow, you're doing a nice, speedy job. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so.
You said you take 20 minutes. But
Yes.
You're actually taking, like, 5 minutes, roughly.
I was estimating. I failed math when I was in 4th grade.
Oh. So did you go to college to be a Pokemon?
No.
You didn't go to college.
No.
It just...
It's a living. It's passed on by my 17 brothers.
Oh. Yeah, I have a brother. His name is Jeffrey. You know, he's alright. He's not very nice to me, but whatever.
I see where he gets it from.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you're doing a really nice job.
I'm almost done.
1 minute and 37 seconds later.
Oh. Wow. Do you want me to be honest about how you did?
Give me my pay.
No. I just need, don't you want some feedback first?
No, give me my pay.
Alright, can you just, like, you kind of look like garbage. So is it possible you could, like, fix him up a little more?
What? I spent my butt off doing this. You expect me to go out with nothing?
Yeah, can you just, like...
Give me my pay.
Alright, fine, man. I mean, actually, I kind of don't have any...
Now!
Give me...
What?
I don't have any...
You don't have any money?
It's like... Oh, shoot.
What?
Oh, shoot.
You fool!
Get out of here! Let's go here!